Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a testing, reviewing the EYLURE eyebrow dye kit. So if you want to see how I get on, then please keep watching. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy. Okay, so I picked up the colour dark brown and I got this just off Amazon. I think it was like £6 maybe or £7. It was really cheap anyway. So I will show you what it looks like. So it comes with a brush, an activator, and then the colour cream, and then this is where you like mix it in this little palette thing, and then you use the brush to apply the eyebrow stuff. Also comes with instructions, so we will go through them and just have a go at dyeing my eyebrows really. Before we get started though, I am just gonna like trim them because I don't know if you guys can see, but I have these hairs here which like grow upwards. So I'm gonna quickly like trim my eyebrows, pluck out any rogue hairs, and then we will get dyeing. Okay, so what I've like got with me ready to attempt to like dye my eyebrows other than the kit is a like old eyeshadow angle brush which I actually used to dye my eyebrows with. Like, do you remember the Makeup Revolution like stick thing, and then it was meant to peel off? So I used to like draw on my eyebrows with that and then like let that dry. So I've got that, like I think just in case like maybe edge is a bit sharper, and then I also got some cotton buds just to, like clean up and make sure it's not anything too wild, because obviously if you get like eyebrow dye on your forehead, like it might dye your forehead. You know what I mean. So on the kit it says you need to pierce the nozzle of the cream and put 2 centimeters of that in the dish, and then apply 5 drops of the activating solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then it tells you to apply it with the brush to the hairs directly, but I think I might use the brush and the eyeshadow brush just to create like more of an actual shape to my eyebrows instead of just doing them like flat but darker, if that makes sense. Also it says the application time between 5 and 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna go for 7 minutes, just like somewhere in the middle, because I don't want really jet black eyebrows. I want like something a bit like wearable, you know. So let's have a go. I'll show you the mixing process. Okay, so that's kind of what the dye is looking like now. So now we are just gonna apply to the brows and see what happens. Okay, so I've got my mirror in front of me, so I am just gonna be like looking at that throughout the application instead of like looking at you guys. But like I said, I think I'm gonna use a mix between the brush and the eyeshadow brush to do this. I feel kind of scared. I honestly haven't had my eyebrows done in the longest time because of lockdown, and they look like they need some help. I'm not gonna lie to you all. Okay, I've put the dye on the eyeshadow brush. I also find this by using like an actual slanted brush, it helps to just put the dye in the right place, if that makes sense, you know. Okay, so I think that looks kind of alright, so I'm now gonna move on to the next eye. I am gonna set a timer for 7 minutes, just so that this one's not too dark. Hey Siri, set a timer for 7 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 7 minutes.
Thank you. Okay guys, so that is the eyebrows with the dye on. So now I'm just going to wait for 7 minutes and then take them off, and then I will show you what they look like. So it's actually the next day now since I filmed my eyebrows. I accidentally deleted like the end bit of me showing my eyebrows. So this is one day on, and I actually think they look really good. I think the dye wasn't too bad. I think 7 minutes was a good amount of time. Also, apologies, I've got no makeup on. I literally just thought I'd jump on here and like finish the video. But yeah, I think they look good, and it was so easy to do. Like the kit was so simple and easy. So if you are looking to like dye your eyebrows at home, then I would really recommend this kit because it was really cheap. And I think did a good job. I also did my mum's, and she really liked her eyebrows. So yeah, I would fully recommend doing this kit at home if you want to dye your eyebrows whilst we're still in lockdown. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this mini little tutorial slash review. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it.